This video is going to show you how you can enable Instagram Blend in just a couple of steps. Instagram Blend is a new feature that allows you and a friend to create a shared feed of Reels. It's a fun way to explore, enjoy, and interact with Reels together, based on what both of you like and share. Before we begin, make sure your Instagram app is updated. To do this, head over to the App Store if you're using your iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're an Android user. Tap the search icon, search for Instagram, and hit the update button. This is an important step since Blend is the newest feature on Instagram, so just install the latest version of the Instagram app and you should get the feature. Once you do this step, open the Instagram app on your phone and then head over to a chat with the friend with whom you want to blend the Reels. I think that Instagram Blend only works with individual chats for now, but you can go over to a group chat and try to activate the Blend feature and tell me if it works for you. But currently, I think it will only work for individual chats. So I'll open this conversation with a friend right here. To start using Blend, send a reel to your friend in the conversation. After that, Instagram may show you a Start Blend button or automatically give you the option to enable it. But if nothing happens for some reason, you'll see the Blend option at the top right corner of the screen. So you'll want to tap on this option right here. The button should be right next to the phone and video call option. And when I do click on this button, it's going to open this screen for me. But if you don't have that Blend button in your Instagram chat, then try to send a couple of Reels to your friend back and forth, and Instagram should activate the Blend option once it detects frequent Reel sharing. So your job now is to tap on the Invite button, and that will send an invitation to the other person that should look something like this. As you can see, I've logged into my other account, and this is how the invitation will look like to your friend. In order to start the Blend, they'll just have to join the invitation, and then the feature will be activated. That is how we can enable the new Blend option on Instagram. Tell me your thoughts about it in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.